Hi, I'm Dr. Shikha Sharma, and today I'm going to be talking about a very popular concept which is food as medicine. Now, most people imagine that if they are eating apple which is healthy, so they are getting the required nutrients and food is working as medicine. Or many times these days, the benefits of turmeric have been talked about. So people think that if you're having turmeric, and turmeric, the beneficial qualities of turmeric are anti-inflammatory. So if you're having that turmeric, so you're already getting the medicinal value. But there is a glitch in this, and that is if you're not cooking it well, then you will not get the medicinal value of food. Let me give you further examples. There are many medicinal benefits of honey, but if you are consuming honey in the wrong recipe or the wrong form, then you will get no or very reduced benefits of honey. Which means that ultimately it's not only about the raw ingredients or the raw material, it is also how the recipe is being made if you really want to get benefited by that food. I'll give you a common example. Let's talk about apple. Apple has various benefits, like the pectin in apple reduces cholesterol. The vitamins and the antioxidants in apple are good for the heart. Now, suppose you have an apple and then you are having a glass of milk with the apple. Would you get the same benefits? No. Because the calcium in the milk will bind those antioxidants in the apple if you're having it together. So, while you may get some benefits, but not the complete benefit of that apple. Let's take the example number 2 of honey. Honey has a lot of beneficial qualities. It is antimicrobial, it is antibacterial, it's a moisturizing agent, it's hydrating, and honey is considered as a medicine in Ayurveda and in even Greek medicine, in Unani medicine. So, but if you are having honey coated breakfast cereal, these days in the market you say honey coated breakfast cereal, or if you are having honey cough syrup, or if you are having honey toffee for your sore throat, will you get those benefits? Not at all. On the contrary, it can become harmful for you. Now, why is honey harmful in these 2-3 examples I gave you? Because honey, when it is processed, it is heated or it is modified from its original form, it becomes toxic for the body. Talk to any beekeeper who's a professional beekeeper and who's been doing it for a long period of time will tell you, never ever process honey. The moment you heat honey or you process honey, it becomes toxic for the body. So now instead of it being a beneficial thing, it has become harmful for your body. Which means what? That food which was medicinal now is becoming harmful for you. So you must know how to use it in the correct form. Third example, turmeric. Now we all have turmeric. Now a lot of people, what I've seen is that they take a glass of water, they put a pinch of turmeric and then they drink it and they think they're getting all the benefits of curcumin. No. Curcumin's active compounds are released when it has some sort of fat with it, and also when it's heated a little bit, which means that just putting a pinch of turmeric in something and drinking it is not going to help. Or even putting turmeric in plain water may have some benefits, but not all the benefits of curcumin because it needs a little bit of fat along with it. Typically, that's why turmeric was added to milk, and warm milk, not cold milk. So cold coffee or a cold latte with turmeric will not benefit you. So these small nuances of how food as medicinal can actually become harmful if you don't know the correct way is important. So food as medicine also requires the correct recipe or the correct way of eating. And that is why we have to understand and differentiate between food as medicine and food just to fill your belly, food just to fill or just for taste, just for your taste buds. No. So food as medicine, you have to understand the scientific way of consuming it if you really want to benefit. with food as medicine.